because you're going to be the go-to person for the ideas. And then you can turn around and send that to your team and say, hey, here's what we really need. I need guys to do this, this, and this, right? So that's what I would recommend to you, Piyush, to kind of work on being able to talk to both of those sides, right? I mean, it's kind of a double-edged sword because you can get pretty far on technical skills, right? There is a school of thought out there that technical knowledge is a form of leadership, and it can be. But there is a ceiling to how far you can go, right? You'll tap out at being the lead data scientist or the senior data scientist, right? Because you can only stay in the tech room, right? You can only stay in the tech team room. Nobody's going to invite you to the business meetings, right? And that's kind of like that separation in leadership, right? You know, are you talking with the business and kind of like designing the projects, not just executing the projects, right? Because the tech guys can execute all day and you'll stay that, but there's a ceiling to that in your career. So I hope that helped you, Piyush. I love the question. You guys are coming in strong with the questions today. Great chat today.